In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on QuickBooks Online. This simple guide will allow you to generate a payment link that you can share easily with your clients, making it effortless for them to settle their invoices. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelance professional managing your accounts, this process will help streamline your payment collection. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to choose QuickBooks Online. After selecting QuickBooks Online, a sign in page will appear. Here, you'll need to enter your login credentials, your email and password. Don't forget to click on Continue to access your account. If you ever find yourself stuck at this point, double check that you're using the correct login information to avoid any hiccups. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look for the menu and click on the Sales tab. This area is where all your sales related activities are organized, and it's the hub for generating invoices and tracking payments. After you've clicked on the Sales tab, you'll see various options related to your sales. You should click on All Sales to get an overview of your current sales transactions. This will take you to a page displaying all your invoices. It's a great way to manage your workflow and understand what's been sent out to clients. Moving along, look for the option titled Receive Payment, which is not far from the top of the page. Next to it, you'll find a small downward arrow or drop-down menu. When you click on that, a few more options will appear. One of these options will be Share Invoice Link. Click on this. It's a handy tool that QuickBooks provides to help facilitate smooth transactions with your customers. Now that you've clicked on Share Invoice Link, a window or pop-up will likely appear, presenting you with a link. At this point, you will want to click on Copy Link. By doing so, you're saving the payment link to your clipboard, ready to be shared with any client or customer you need to send it to. And there you have it. You have successfully created and copied a payment link in QuickBooks Online. This link can be pasted into an email, text message, or any other communication tool you use to interact with clients. It ensures your clients have a direct path to pay their invoices with ease. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and happy invoicing.